Hello everyone, Atma Namaste. Welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Aquarius for the month of May 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of May. And before beginning, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers for the love and support you have given me. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Yeah, so let's begin with the reading. So the energy of the month for you Aquarians is the World card, but it is in reverse. So basically, this shows me that something for you is not moving. You're not feeling satisfied. You're not feeling content with whatever you have, wherever you are, and things are not happening in your favor. You how you want things to happen, it is not happening, or either things are not happening at all. So that kind of energy I see here. The first three cards are Queen of Swords reversed, Ten of Wands reversed, and Eight of Swords reversed. I see that you people are going through some emotional turmoil. You have worked hard for something and you have been so overburdened and you have basically been full of so much responsibilities that you could not be fair to all your responsibilities because there was too much on your plate that you could not you know take care of every small little thing. So that has created some issues, some problems which have made you little sensitive regarding stuff. And there's lack of clarity. You don't know, your intentions were not bad but stuff happened. And now you don't know what to say, how to react, because whatever you do, people don't trust you. So there is lack of clarity and that is making you feel really bad. And you are being you are very sensitive towards small little things. So that is what I see here. And before moving towards the other week, so I request you kindly subscribe to my channel for the regular updates. The next week cards are Ace of Cups reversed, Seven of Swords, and the Emperor. Again, I see pain. I see you even crying on some things. If you want peace and something, a new beginning in the relationship or whatever that is, that broke because of too much responsibilities, that is not happening. You are trying your best, but things are not happening, and the way you are trying it is not the right way. So you need to change your way. Things are not happening. The howsoever you are trying is basically some old way, something that you might have tried in the past and it worked, but it is not going to work this time. You have to change your way to reach towards that person to make things okay. The third week cards are Four of Swords reverse, Three of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. Again, I see you, you are basically going through the pain emotionally, but these actions you are taking are a little immature. They are not working. If you will go to someone whom you think is going to help me, I should go and discuss my problem to the third person, and that third person can give me the advice. And if that is what you think, I'm sorry, that's not what is going to work. Your partner is not expecting you to go and share your problems with the third person. That will be a totally immature decision. I know your intentions are good. I know you want to make things good, but the way you are doing it, I'm sorry, it is not working. Fourth week cards are Four of Cups reversed, Queen of Wands, and Eight of Cups reversed. So I see here again nothing new happening. Things are not working out. You might also feel like giving up by the end of the week. You might think that I'm doing so much, I want things to work out, my intentions are good, I never did something intentionally to hurt other people, but you did hurt people with your actions. And though your intentions were not there, but yeah, whatever you're doing right now also is not working. So you need to figure out the right way to do it, because otherwise what will happen is you are going to just sit, watch things happening. You will leave everything to the fate, and you might just think that okay, this is how it is going to be. You might just give up on the relationship, and that is not good, because that is obviously going to make you and the other person feel sad, and they will not be happy with the situation. They might want to go back in times and have the same time with you where you people had some good times, romantic times with each other, some good memories which you people shared. You both want the same thing, but the steps you are taking is not somewhat helping. So try to be a little mature. Try to handle things on your own, and I would say just go and talk to them directly. It will help. So that's about it, Aquarians. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. And for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. So